Hi everyone, I'm Ethan from CANbest. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an LED screen when the wrong configuration file has been loaded. Behind me is an LED screen configured with an incorrect loading file. Now I'll show you exactly how to solve this problem. First, let's open the Nova LCT software. After logging in, click on Screen Configuration. Go to the Receiving Card tab. Click Input. Now we need to find the correct configuration file. Click OK. Click Send. Send to all receiving cards. Now we can observe the status of the screen to see if it's back to normal. Once the screen is back to normal, click Save to save the configuration. That's all for today's video. If you need a high-quality LED screen, please contact CANbest.